Another great advantage to Metasploit is this thing called Meterpreter. Meterpreter is entirely operating system agnostic, and it is a way to interact with operating systems in a very consistent way. So I can do things with Meterpreter, and it doesn't really matter what the operating system is on the other end. The Meterpreter shell handles the translation between what I am telling Meterpreter I want and how the operating system actually handles it. We're going to go back to using this particular exploit. And again, I'm going to set my R host to be 192.168.86.69, and my L host is going to be 192.168.86.22. And then I'm going to leave everything else alone. So I could say show options, and that's all okay. If I were to just say set, I would see everything that is available for me to set. I don't need to touch any of this, but you can actually see what the different values and parameters are. Now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to run exploit, and that should pop open a Meterpreter shell for me. And sure enough, I have a Meterpreter session open. Now, Meterpreter, I get a help list, and you can see all of the things that I can do here. I can do a number of things that are related to processes like background a process, kill a process. I can run things in the background, and I can also make use of file systems. So, for example, if I were to print the working directory, I could get that. I can also get the process identifier for the process that we compromised on this system, and the process ID here happens to be 1108. I can get the security identifier of the user, so get SID. I can also do the ARP cache. So those are the ARP entries in the ARP table on the remote system. I can also do things like get a screenshot. So I could capture a screenshot, and that would be saved as a JPEG into my home directory here. There are a number of other things. If there were a microphone or a webcam, for example, I could try to take advantage of that.